Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope everybody having a great week thus far and a great, most definitely 2020 thus far. I just want to do a fast video to check in. We have a lot of great things happening within the group. Currently, we have our own real estate broker. I believe she have a connection with a really good mortgage lender. We have our own travel agent, and we have a councilwoman in our group that's out of here in Fayetteville. So we have a lot of great things. The group is continuing to grow. A lot of doors is opening for me, myself, and I'm gonna pass them on to y'all, my members. So I just want to do a fast video to tell everyone to stay motivated. This is gonna be a great year. There's a lot of things going on, but we can't let the outside affect us personally on the inside or get us sidetracked from our goals. Because we got one life to live, so we got to keep going forward no matter what, and see things through. So I just want to say welcome to the group if you're new. And last but not least, I'm doing my first seminar next Saturday, March the 7th, here in Fayetteville. I'm going to touch on credit repair tips, the newest and latest financial investment options. And I'm going to help people actually the day of form the LLC for free. So it's gonna be a really great event. Uh, I think just anyone that come will be able to take something back with them, be a better entrepreneur, investor, or business owner. Also, if you're in the group and you come to the event, it's going to be $10. I'm charging 20 for people outside the group. So that's one of the many benefits of being inside my group is I'm always look out for the members. So take care, stay focused, keep pushing.